Hello everyone, welcome to Blackboard Techniques. In today's class, we'll be solving second problem in exercise 2.2. If you check out the playlist in English, you'll be able to find out all the previous example problems and exercise problems with solutions. The video link is in the description. Do check it out, it will be helpful for you. Now we can see the question. Here the question is, if m, n are natural numbers, for what values of m does 2 power n into 5 power m end in 5? If m, n are natural numbers means starting from 1. Okay. M and n values would be starting from 1, 2, 3 and goes on whatever number. For what values of m does 2 power n into 5 power m end in 5? It's very simple. What we are going to do is, we are going to apply the values of m and n, any values starting from 1. That should be starting from 1. But you can apply any values in this 2 power n into 5 power n. In place of m and n, you will be applying any values. And check out the answers, whether it's ending with last digit 5 or not. Okay, now we can see the solution. For the solution, I have written the given information, what is given for what values of m. 2 power n into 5 power n ends with 5. This is the given thing that is given in the question. Okay, now what we are going to do is, we are going to apply the values for m and n. Okay, now I'm starting from 1, n is equal to 1, and also m is equal to 1. Okay, I'm going to apply n and m value in this thing. Okay, so if n equal 1, m equal 1, then 2 power 1 into 5 power 1 equal how much? 2 power 1 means 2, right? 5 power 1 means 5. 2 into 5, 10. Okay. So, and next one. If we are applying n equal 2 and m equal 2, we'll be getting 2 power 2 into 2 power 5 power 2, right? Just I am applying the values of m and n. Here I am taking n equal to 2, m equal to 2. I am applying in this and I will be getting 2 power 2 means 2 into 2, that is 4, right? 4 into 5 square. 5 power 2 means 5 into 5, 25, right? So 25. 25 into 4, 100, right? 5 into 4, 22. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. So answer is 100. Okay. Look at the answers. These two answers are ends with 0, right? And I'm checking some random values for n and m. I'm taking n equal to 5 and m equal to 7. Any values you can apply. Okay, I'm checking now. 2 power 5 into 5 power 7. 2 power 5 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32, right? 16 into 2, 32. 32 into 5 into 7. I need to find the value of 5 into 7. What is 5 into 7? 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. So here 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 5, 25 into 5, 5 into 5, 25, 2. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 125. Okay. 5 into 5, 25. Then 25 into 5, 125. Then 125 into 5 again. 125 into 5. 5 into 5, 25. 2. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 5 into 5. 5 into 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 3,125 into 25. How much? 5 into 5, 25. 2. 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 1, 5 into 5. 1 into 5, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 5 into 3, 15. 2 into 5, 10. Again 1. 2 into 2, 4, 5. 2 into 1, 2. 3 into 2, 6. 6 to 5, right? Again we need to multiply by 5 into 5 into 5. So I'm multiplying 625 into 625 into 5 into 5 into 5. So 625 into 5. 5 into 5, 25, 2, 5 into 2, 12, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 6 into 5, 30, 30 plus 1, 31. So I'm getting 3,125 into again 25 into 5, 25, right? So I'm taking 25. So I'm getting 78,125. So I need to multiply this 32 with this one, right? So 78,125 into 32. 5 into 2, 10. 2 into 2, 4, 5. 1 into 2, 2. 8 into 2, 16. 1. 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. So 3 into 5, 15. 1. 2 into 3, 6. 1, 7. 1 into 3, 3. 8 into 3, 24. 2. 7 into 3, 21. 21 plus 2, 23. How much I am getting? 0, 10. This much number I am getting, right? So here 25 lakhs. So whatever number I am applying for m and n, I will be getting some number which ends with 0 only, right? You can try with any number for m and n. You will be getting some number which will end with 0. Okay, what is the question here? For what values of m, 2 power n into 5 power m ends with 5. So how we can write the answer? All the numbers, all the answers are ends with 0. So that 2 power n into 5 power m cannot end with digit 5. Okay, it's very easy. How can we write the answer? Answer is all the numbers are ends with digit 0, so that 2 power n into 5 power m cannot end with cannot end with digit 5. Cannot end with digit 5. This is the answer. You can apply small numbers for m and n because you can save the time. If you are taking big number, the multiplication process will take more time. So you can you can take small numbers for saving your time. Okay, whatever number you apply, you'll be getting this some number which ends with 0 only. This is very simple. For this problem, you have to know what is the concept of what is about natural number. Okay. What is all about natural number? Natural number is nothing. It's starting from 1 to 3 and goes on. You are just applying the values, any values for m and n, you'll be getting some answer, and check out the answer whether it's ending with 0 or not. Accordingly, you can write the answer. Okay, it's very simple. Practice it and it will be easy. This much I had in this video. I hope this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends, hit like button and subscribe to the channel Blackboard Techniques for more updates. We'll see you in another video. Until then, Shiny signing off.